Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Right here I'm checking out the Striker Mechanical Carpenter Pencil. Now this is great for woodworking, metal, ceramic work, and if you're anything like me and have used the traditional carpenter pencils, you know, you're always looking for a sharpener for it or the utility blade. You can never find it. The thing's dull, it's not pointy. Well, this takes the idea of like the math or science carpenter pencils, but with a much thicker lead cartridge in there, so you can use it on all these projects without having to worry about that it's going to break. Now this sells between like $6 and $8 or so. It comes with this, the pencil with a preloaded lead cartridge, as well as additional lead cartridges, and to replace them you're looking at about $5 or so. So this is what the cartridge actually looks like there, if you can see it. That's what you're going to replace it with. Now these are said to last about 2 to 3 times longer than what the traditional carpenter pencil looks like. So I'll test that, and later on when I do a full review and kind of like a review rewind, I'll let you know how much or how good it's really lasting. So let's just go ahead and take a look real quick over here on some wood project that I've been working on. Now what I did the first few times, you know, you do it like the mechanical pencil and you click it to let the lead come down. If you click it too long though, the lead's just going to drop right out. So you just got to keep in mind you don't want to do that. It's really sensitive. So just do it a little bit. What I've been doing is just click it a little bit, maybe by the project there, how much you need, and you can adjust it. But just to get an idea here, you can see how dark it is, and also it's beveled, so depending on how you want it. But if you use the straight side where it is beveled, it is a pretty dark looking mark there, and this is just on a standard piece of 2x4. So that right there, again, that's what's in the box of the Striker Mechanical Carpenter Pencil. Make sure to like and subscribe right here, click that little bell icon, and you know, stay up to date with everything that I do, and watch for the review or the review rewind video of this carpenter pencil. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.